Get the hell out of my car, dude. Sneezing ass. Oh!
You won't get off and take him out.
So I won't.
You won't.
I almost died. I almost died. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. That's it. I'm waiting for Dylan, bro. He texted it for like 20 minutes. He texted it 20 minutes ago. Bro, okay, so as y'all can see in the back, bro, we were gonna go ride bike. We had so much planned. But then the rain.
What did you say, nigga?
Hey, sorry. Oh. Alright, so this is actually our first vlog. And we're just gonna go with it. We don't really know. Oh hell no! Like how it's gonna turn out or anything, but oh well. We have a bunch of ideas. Don't get us wrong. It's just that most of them are, you know, being together, being with like public.
Big ol' ass.
Ah, look at them. Done.
It's because the fence was falling over.
Hey, why don't we play with this? Play with it? Yeah. Oh, and the paper rock scissors. Alright, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
What is that for?
Bring that head over here.
But yeah, stupid.
Oh, that actually hurt.
Oh,
Go. 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 I don't want to play. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah! That hurt.
I can't put my windows on. You got me back here like a little kid.
That's good. Why do you want your window down, huh? So you can holler at other girls like you just did?
Hell no.
Bro, Caleb, you're watching this, bro? He was whistling at some like 13-year-olds, right? Right, Edwin? Nah, right? We don't snitch on our boys. Caleb, you're watching this, bro? He was whistling at some like 13-year-olds, right? Bro, you dead ass sneezed in my car and you don't want to get out.
my mask
Bro,
on.
he dead ass went like this.
I went like this.
We made it to the park. But dude, I haven't been to these in years, so if I bust my ass, you know why. Where are we going? Whoa. Oh. Hey, y'all, I'm telling y'all, bro, I'ma bust my ass. Oh, Edwin. Oh shit. Edwin. God. What happened?
No, don't go fast.
It's because you gotta change the dials.
Change the dial. You gotta change the fucking tire, stupid.
There, now you're gonna be. That doesn't change the tire, it changes your speed. Bro, you saw how fast that was going. I'm gonna bust my ass.
Just go put air in it.
Where are we gonna put air?
In the gas station, dumbass.
You can do that?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh shit! So we kind of ran into a problem that Jose's bike doesn't have air. So we're gonna go to the gas station and see if we can put some air in it. And then Dylan's all over there. I don't know if you can see him. Right there.
Piece of shit.
And now with this dude. So we just buying snacks right now. Take to the park. I don't know what I want.
You went to off by $5.
No. I do low key, but no.
I threw up.
little nigga, you gay.
I think that's good.
Try it. Bro, you gotta be stupid and fall for that, bro. Yeah. Bro, I'm gonna show you the mark. My hand went in between both cheeks.
Jesus Christ.
Are you really done?
Cause yours is easy.
Okay, then here.
Nah, I don't want it. In there?
I actually don't know what's in there. I mean, we could.
Can you see the skin mark?
The whole freaking tire full of mud.
Damn. Did you fall?
Hi, I almost did.
It was good. Oh. Barely.
Yeah, watch out. I almost died. I almost died. What is this loop? I decided to go sitting down on the longboard. Oh, hell no. I went straight. Oh, the board's right there. Holy shit. And they didn't even warn me either. Dude, I thought I was gonna die. What'd you say? Curse again. That's what I thought. Hopefully I don't bust my ass this time. Edwin. Oh! Oh my ass!
You cracked the screen?
You heard the screen protector.
I just bought it!
We just finished skating. We're gonna go to Whataburger, right?
That's what y'all want, water?
That's what everyone wants, yeah.
Alright, so we're going to Whataburger. And then we're gonna talk a little bit about what's going on and with this whole virus thing. So we're just gonna be eating and then talking a little bit about this whole virus thing. And I know we haven't uploaded, but it's just we haven't really.
Oh,
We gotta make this video funny, bro. You're gonna be talking the whole time.
but you're freaking making loud ass noises, right?
I don't even break that fucking
Just eat outside, bro.
Get out of my fucking car, bro.
Who's driving
That's
now?
not my-
Oh, really?
Do you have a car?
Hey, I don't have a car.
Oh yeah.
As everyone was saying, we haven't been uploading because virus and everything. Our parents don't want us going out and videos that we want to film if I was going to the public or parks and stuff like that. And for our safety and our safety for our families, we haven't been. Hey, this is why I can't be serious. So we're gonna be trying to film stuff like this, you know, once a week maybe, right? That
Hopefully.
they'll be able to come out. And Dylan, since I heard Dylan was working at a church, so
I don't play games anymore.
what's up?
I trade money.
If y'all want a free iPhone. Anyways, we're done eating. Edwin's the only one eating. That's gonna be the end of this vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, share it, turn on your post notifications. That's it. We out.
Yep.